Hello everybody, it is Shae here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we jump into today's video, I want to share some beautiful jewelry pieces with you from a brand called Luisa. Look at this box. What does that say? It's nice to see you. Yes, it is very nice to see you guys today. If you have not heard about Luisa, it's this sustainable jewelry brand from New York. They make these luxury pieces, but they sell them at affordable prices. So let's see what we have here today. And I'll give you some ideas. This will give you some ideas for your Christmas shop. All right, let's see what we got here. Look how cute the packaging is. So I got two things here and they both say Luisa. So let's jump right into it. I am so excited to see what's in here. Oh, okay, so this actually matches with what I have on. Okay, let me take off my earrings and then I want to come back and show you, but really quickly, the cute little box, it says designed in New York and it says 2-year warranty, and here's like the packaging. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. I might be holding them wrong, but look at that. These jade earrings. I'm gonna try these on right now. And then also before I try that on, let's see what's in this box. So this cute little box, this ring. I want it, you see that simple little ring? It's sterling silver. I wanted the simple little ring because you can stack this. Okay, let me show you. I'll be right back. Let me put my earrings on. I'll be right back. So I have the earrings on. These are so pretty and they match with my outfit today. I think I'm gonna wear them. So cute. And then also let me show you the ring. So here's the ring by itself, right? Totally pretty by itself. But if you want to make it a stackable, or you want to use it like with a stack of rings, you can do that as well. So I have some of my other jewelry and I'm just going to stack this ring. So you see, there's the ring right there. And then I got my other ones in between, but this ring is gorgeous, either stackable or by itself. I hope you can see that. You know, this holiday season, jewelry will make the most thoughtful gift. And with Luisa, it's already packaged. Look how cute this little box is. So don't miss out on this sale. Like I said before, I'm going to leave my link below. Happy shopping. Good morning, everybody. It is 9 o'clock on a Saturday morning, and we are going to be dyeing our hair today. You guys know the drill if you've been here before. We dye our hair, our locks, jet black. And I always use Natura Tint, or there's another brand and I can't think of it right now, but I always get them at like Sprouts, Whole Foods, things like that. I just try to get the least toxic brand of hair dye. But anyway, so I have worn my hair out pretty much all this week. So braided it up last week and then I took them out, I can't remember what day, maybe Sunday. Wore them out all week. And guess what? My neck is hurting. My neck and my back is hurting. And I'm like, are my locks too heavy? Like, what is going on here? So I called my sister who has locks, and she's had hers for almost probably 20 years now. Hers are thinner than mine. But she says her neck never hurts. Her back, like her hair is never heavy. And mine has never been heavy either. Let me turn this light on. Mine has never been heavy either, especially when I should have left this top on there. Especially when I have the braids, like it's not heavy at all. But for some reason this week it felt heavy. Now, it may be the way I was sleeping, because I was only like wrapping them at the top and then I would just let all of this hang out. So I think that might have like put some weight on my neck. So then, you know, like towards the middle of the week, I started wearing my satin cap, because sometimes I wear it and sometimes I don't. So then I would just pull it all up and put my satin cap on, and that helped. But like my back, like from here all the way down, it hurts. My sister's like, maybe you just need to do some neck exercises, like, you know, you need to lift weights, because I usually just do like the treadmill and I will just walk or run or whatever. But she's like, you probably need to do some weights. So maybe that's what I'm gonna start doing. But I'm just like, yesterday I was gonna take a Tylenol, but I didn't, because it was just hurting that bad. And then yesterday I pulled it up. Well, not pulled it up, but I put like a ponytail. I'm just putting like coconut oil around my edges or whatever, so some of the dye can come off, because I make a mess. But anyway, so yesterday I just had it like to the side, not like a heavy ponytail, but just like this, and it took some of the pressure off of my neck. But maybe I just do need to exercise, I don't know. And so, oh shoot, taking this, okay. So yeah, people would always ask me in the comments, like, are they heavy? Are they heavy? And I would always say no, because they weren't heavy. They weren't heavy until now. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's because they're getting longer that they're getting heavy, or it's just the style, or it's just me needing to do like more, you know, like exercises or whatever, to strengthen my neck, quads, whatever. I don't know, whatever. I don't know. But anyway, and then I'm like, I don't want to necessarily cut them. Like, I could probably trim a few inches off, but I don't necessarily want to cut them right now, because I'm liking how the length looks, but if it's gonna cause me back problems, then it ain't worth it. It is not worth it. So what am I gonna do? I will probably start doing more exercises. Like, I have kettlebells or kettlebells, whatever you call them. So I will start using those again and just like doing more strenuous activity, I guess. You guys see I have no rhyme or reason with this dye. I'm just putting it on because I just want to get it over with so I can go to Costco and go grocery shopping. So yeah, that's all going on with me. I'll see how I feel when I braid it up. It should not be heavy at all, because it's never been heavy. And then also too, I always prided myself on like not using a lot of product in my hair, so there's not a lot of buildup. And I know buildup sometimes will cause your locks to be like heavy, because you have just like all of this product that's pretty much baked into your locks, right? But I don't use product like that, so I have no idea what's going on. But we gotta fix it, because it hurts. It hurts, and I don't want to be taking Tylenol and stuff every day, because I don't like taking medication. I don't like taking aspirin. I don't like taking any medication if I can help it. So I just try to do my essential oils. Okay, all right. So I will. I'll see y'all in a minute when I'm done doing this. All right, I'm done. Time to braid it up. I think it came out well. All right, let's braid it up, and let's hope we don't have any back problems. update on if my, I don't think I ever updated you guys on if my locks are too heavy. I don't think they're too heavy, thank God. What I realized is when I was wrapping up my hair at night, I didn't have it high up enough. So I have this now, the satin cap, and I just make sure that I put them all up. And then I take it down in the morning. I actually, under this, I still have my other little satin tie thing. But that's what I'm doing, and my neck does not hurt. I've had my hair down for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. When this is 5 days now, and my neck doesn't hurt. Thank God. All right, so I am on my way to work now, but I just wanted to come in and say that because I was getting worried. I was like, do I have chapstick on? Hold on. I was getting worried, and I was saying to myself, I hope I don't have to cut my locks because they are too heavy, but thank God we found a workaround. So they're not heavy at all. Like I was saying before, when I was sleeping, I had them out and I just think they pulled my neck back for some reason. I don't know. Okay, let's get ready to go to work.